we go any further, I wanted to guys give you an update. We got the charity shirts for sale. There's also some other charity apparel. I'm going to suck it in so I look really good with this. Back up, too close, guys. And I want to let you guys know that we raised $379 now through the profit of the shirts. All the profit is going to the charity. I'm doubling that. And we also have 2 individual donations, one for $500 and another one for $300. It's bringing our current total being donated to the Coatesville Youth Initiative, benefiting underprivileged children, to somewhere around like $1,500. You guys are going to have to do the math because I'm walking right now and drinking my orange juice thing in my jigger. I don't know. Okay, we're going to get back to the video, but definitely hit it up below. Get something, because it's benefiting kids who really need it. Thank you. Baseline. I like this interior.
It's very nice.
Yeah.
It's a low mileage car too.
Yeah.
I think it has less than 5,000 on it.
Just over 4.
$593.
Pretty good. We're going to run it again because that's a cold pull, and by the time we're actually done working on it and tuning it, it'll be nice and toasty, so I want to be able to compare.
Cool.
So we'll run it again.
$582.
Still really good. Do one more, and that will be our baseline.
Cool. $579.
Okay, cool. Baseline.
We're doing a cam, Mighty Mouse, doing headers,
Make some decent power.
oh yeah, pick up some, and injectors.
Alright, so the blower's off. Front accessories, front cover. He's got the dowel pins in, and the cam is getting ready to come out.
Quieter. I need to tell you my dream. Alex is on the phone, so we're going to go in here. Are you on the phone? Oh, okay, thank God. I was like, why were you going to come here?
Like, I don't think that part's in my job
So
description.
I need to tell you guys my dream last night. So you guys know our tech Noah. Well, I fired him in my dream last night because he was in a Well, we had a tank here. We were souping up a tank, like a legitimate tank, like wartime machine. And Eric dared him to do a freaking burnout in the tank.
Hell yeah.
And he ran over 2 customer cars. And then he didn't care because Eric told him to do the burnout. He's like, you told me to do the burnout. And I was like, you're fired. And then these dingleberries were like, no. Eric was right to tell him to do the burnout. So you run over 2 customer cars with the tank. And I would try to fire somebody, and these guys were like, no, it was fine. I'm like, it's not fine. But that was my dream last night. It's like, what the F?
So you know what we're here for, right? To make your dreams a reality.
Alright, so who's souping the tank up?
We need a tank. We're looking for a tank. We need an LS swap tank.
I mean, I got a
2
Ranger
LS
that we
swap.
can- I got a Ranger we can run over at the cab.
Oh yeah, no, that's good. That would
So
be cool.
if you want to see that happen,
Yeah, if you have a tank and you would like us to run over a Ford Ranger with your tank, we'd be happy to do so. Just bring it on out. We're not paying for shipping or anything though, so up to you.
Drive it.
Hey, drive it here.
I mean, if you get pulled over in a tank,
What are they gonna
why would you pull over?
yeah.
What was that?
You just keep
guy
going.
that had the tank years ago.
The bulldozer guy or
No,
no?
there was a tank. I don't even know if it was in this country. There was a video going around. There had to be a tank.
I don't know, I just started thinking of
Shit
Steve
over.
Jessup. I know my rights guy.
Have you seen the video of the kid in the tank and his father's trying to get him out of it?
No.
He's like, I'm in the tank. Get out of the tank. No.
Was it Russian?
No.
You almost had a Russian accent there.
I'll put it like right here.
You're not my dad. Literally, get out of the tank. Tell Major Middleton, I don't give a get out of the tank. No. Okay.
So 2012 Silverado, cat deletes, some
That's cats. They're high flow cats.
high flow cats.
Stock manifolds. Some kind of aftermarket exhaust. Motor induction. Super chips too. I might even run on the stock too. A lot of the time, these super chip tunes actually make less power than the stock tunes. I'm kind of curious.
All right, let's see what it does.
Warmed up now. Let's go. No matter what I do with the scanner, because of the limitations in the tune, it's not going to let me hold it before. But it looks like third window was 100 anyway, which is as far as I want to go with these tires. Yeah, it actually makes more power.
279.
It made more power.
More power.
Wow. Well, don't look at the peak number. So you can't look at the peak number because it downshifted, but we still ended up in the same third gear. So we went from 262.5 to, now I was able to run it out a little farther, to 278. And in the same area, we're up 12 horsepower-ish. Let's see, 262 to 278. So even more than that on a stock tune. And it was richer. So I have a feeling what was happening is they ran it a little leaner, which where they ran it was fine, but they probably had too much timing in it. You can see if you want to come over here and look at this. I'll highlight both of these. Right here where it drops down, it's probably pulling timing. So if it had not been commanding so much timing, it may have made more on the same timing with it a little leaner. But nonetheless, I wasn't wrong. Stock tune makes more power.
Yeah, how about that?
Now we'll see what we can do with it. I put a flat 15 degrees in it, blow them out just to get the airfield closed. A little on the lean side, I'll rinse it up and then I'll add timing back in. It sounded a lot better though.
289.
Now this has a downshift in it, but the numbers are accurate. This is how he came in on the Super Chips tune. 263 horsepower, 294 torque. This is third gear after this point. Flash the stock tune back on. You gotta ignore this peak here. So 279 horsepower. Well, it's actually catching the peak properly, which is weird. Oh, it's because that's torque. So the torque's wrong. The peak torque is actually right around here, 294, not 304. So it's up a little bit on the stock tune. And then finished up with our tune here. 289, 310. So again, ignore this torque of the blue one here. We're up a little bit of torque, what? 15?
Yeah.
Better than Super Chips tune. He's got like 30 some horsepower there. And it's a lot cleaner of a pull.
Alright, good work, Eric.
Thanks.
So guys, thank you for watching. I hope this was informative for you guys. Now the reason why the Handheld didn't really work that well is because it's a blind tune. That's how I always refer to it, since there's no feedback to the tuner. Now factory has been put through a lot more testing than any Handheld tune has probably ever been through, because it's got to be consistent across thousands upon thousands of cars. So I'm not surprised. We've seen this before where the stock tune does a lot better. And that's actually, it's not as surprising to me as it might be to you. And then, of course, when we have the car in person and we can dial it in without any of the fact that both a Handheld and a factory tune need to take into account, and being able to eliminate that, we can end up with a little bit more power and a really good and proper running car, which is what you saw in this video. So thank you for watching. Coming up in the future videos here, we're going to see that orange car hit the dyno, as well as the C7 Corvette from the beginning of this video. We're going to see that in a video as well. Unless we already did. Did we already see it in a video? No, we didn't. Okay. See you on the next one, guys.